Konami messed up a dark history. Remove yellowing. Looks cleaner. Actually this, Konami GB first title. Even Konami with many hits, was still groping. Could not use GB features. Bad game balance, low quality. Enemies too strong. Hard stage but boss weak. Classic Dracula brand, was damaged. But in sequel Dracula Legend 2, things improved well. Open it. This MBC1. First gen memory bank controller. Different height. Contact cleaner. Nylon buff.
Oh, give more tea.
Isopropyl alcohol. Circuit coating, all weathered. Peel off in 30 years. Copper exposed rusts. To prevent rust, coat all over. Take fluid from zombie. Tears of Gen Z. Dilute. UV light. Harden.
Catch coach.
Full coating. This lasts 30 years.
Mercury.
Magic liquid. Rust proof and lube. Screwhead 2. 1989. Coating to slow yellowing. Go to the future.
Perfect body.